students, ever wish life came with a manual? Welcome to Growth Lab with Abraham.
This is a kid-powered learning lab where we solve real-life problems using simple science, brain tips, Bible wisdom, and habits that actually work. Every episode starts with one curious question, then we break it down using the G.R.O.W lab method. Grab the question, reveal the science, organize the problem, and work the solution in 3 clear steps. Here, kids and teens learn the skills school does not always teach. How to handle stress, manage emotions, build confidence, study smarter, solve problems, communicate clearly, and think in powerful new ways. Hard things become simple, scary things become doable, and life gets easier. Our learning comes from 4 awesome pillars: brain and science, faith and Bible, mini-med school, and life skills and habits. Every lesson is bite-sized, friendly, and made for real life.
So, if you want a stronger mind, smarter habits, and a better life, you're in the right place.
Welcome to the movement. Welcome to Growth Lab with Abraham. Hit subscribe, and let's grow.